I'm looking for suppliers on social media and distributors too. It's really hard. I am not seeing people engaged in social media. And, I know people are burnt out on the topic, but this is how people are getting connected. Now, okay, I wrote a commentary on freepromotips.com entitled Suppliers, Where Are You? And there could be a subtitle, Distributors, Where Are You? And this is the thing, is not everybody fully understands what social media engagement is all about. Suppliers are not super involved in social media because they're basically not going to get any immediate gratification like, where are the sales? Well, it's going to take time to develop those sales. And there are some suppliers, like Maple Ridge Farms, for example, that does a great job sharing meaningful content. And it's not always about selling food gifts, but they're creating a dialogue and their social media river flow, as it were, because really social media is like a river that passes by. You got to mix content in with some promotion and so forth. And a lot of suppliers are just like, amazing, new, low price, special and all this. And it's just not really engaging. Now, one would think that distributors would want to be involved on social media to see the things that their clients are doing. So if a trade show is coming up, they're aware of it. If a new product is going to be launched, they're aware of it. There's a lot of things that are beneficial about social media. Now, I touch on a little bit of this in this Suppliers, Where Are You commentary on freepromotips.com. Don't miss it. Check it out. There's also something that we're offering too. It's short little videos that you can share easily to Facebook and Twitter and email to your clients as well. And that's a content component that can be very beneficial because online video is hot. Okay, well, hey, thank you so much for watching and make it a great day.